Welcome guys. Well, it's hard to believe that I'm coming to you from in the middle of a snow squall in Ontario, Canada, and I'm going to just slip right over into my daughter recently visited Jamaica and she had a great time in Negril, and she went there when it was really quiet. Like, I was reading here on Facebook that there was hardly any tourists in Jamaica at that time. I think it was like the end of September. And it turns out she agreed. She said, "Mom, there's nobody really here, but it's great to have the beach to ourselves." Anyhow, they went to Booby Cay and they had lobster on the beach. And I'm going to tell you at the end of the video about what the name of her captain was and the price and what is included and everything. So just watch it, and then at the end I'll give you all the details. And they went to Miss Lilly's and they went to Matthew's, and these are all really fun food spots in Negril, and I'll tell you basically how to get to them and what's involved. So just look first, look at the nice food and all them thing, and check out the video footage of the guy cleaning the lobster on the beach and preparing it for them, and then the plate of food, how it looked afterwards. It's fun. So yeah, bit of a contrast coming to you from the snow, but I'm on my way to taking you to Negril. Enjoy the footage.
What? Oh, I true know people that walk to and from. Yeah. Spiny lobster have meat all the way up to the head. Look, he's still moving. This one is still have a little straight. Sorry, I'm gonna take him away. Out his misery.
Yeah, and then suffer long.
And here's the next one. Alright, let me show you at the first one. That one teeth seems like it's soft. Clean his brains out.
That's the brain?
Yeah, or the poop.
Oh.
He's not very smart.
Yeah. That's what a clean lobster look like. So I'm gonna show you the tooth in this one.
Oh.
Oh.
Same as on the crab, right?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. This is tooth. And then this is just fat. Take that out.
This is fat.
That's where the poop come from, you see it?
Yeah.
All the way down to his butt.
This is a tube.
Travel through this vein. So we take it out here. Then we scrape everything through here. You don't want that to. Why dare you?
So I really hope you enjoyed that footage. Looking at it while I'm in the snow, let me tell you, I just want to go back home right now. Anyway, I told you I'd give you some more information about this the Booby Cay thing. So my daughter said it was 90 US per person, and they took them on a boat ride in a glass bottom boat, showed them the things under the water and everything. They went for an hour snorkeling. They had unlimited drinks. They got to Booby Cay and they were able to stay there some time, and then of course they set up a grill and they catch the lobster fresh that morning, and they can get the fresh cooked lobster and chicken lunch, all of that included in the 90 US. So all in all, she says the whole thing took about 4 hours. So that's really not so bad when you think about it, even the cost of lobster alone. So then Miss Lilly's now, she says, is a walk down Negril Beach, like, you know, the area of country, And then there's Vicitini's if you're going down towards that end. You will see, she says about a 5-minute walk, and she says Miss Lily's food is 10 out of 10, guys, right? And you might hear a car passing, forgive me, but yeah. So she says Miss Lily's food is 10 out of 10, you don't want to miss it. And she says it's really nice ambience, you can sit on the beach and eat, or there's seating elsewhere, and it's great music and a good vibe, and the food is fabulous. And she went there, she was there for a week, and she said she went there about 3 times. That's how good it was. And then Matthews is the place with the cool lights. It's across the street from Country in like a plaza, and it she says there's like cool lights in there, art on the walls, good music, and the food is also good. She says it's more about a town vibe than a Negril vibe, but still, if you want something different, and she says if you want to leave the heat of the beach and go and, you know, enjoy, then it's the thing for you. So those are a few tips. I was very keen to hear how much the Booby Cay trip was, because it looked like so much fun. So I'm determined to go there when I go back. And I just love that they filmed for me the guy cleaning the lobster and talking to them and everything. So I hope you enjoy that little trip home, and I hope where you are it's not snowing as bad as it is here, or you're not too cold. But if you're in Jamaica, I wish I was you. Anyway, big up all of you. Thank you for your support. You know the thing, right? Share the video, subscribe, like, comment, all of the things. All right, one love. See you on the next video, guys.